What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to embed GitHub codes into your WordPress blog pages, posts, sidebars, footers using the native WordPress blog editor and Elementor WordPress page builder plugin. Okay, so let me explain why I did bring this video. I was reading one of our posts on visualmodo.com blog, and as you can review, if you scroll it down, you can see this code that is present on GitHub. Okay, so this code is embed. This is just a HTML. Okay, and this code is here because we need to bring some examples of the custom codes in order to customize the WooCommerce filter or the WooCommerce cart parts. Okay, so how to share these GitHub codes into your articles, into your posts in a simple way. Before anything, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and bring some comments into the section below. It helps us a lot. We bring daily video tutorials for WordPress usage, SEO, marketing, site growth, and many more topics, and we are here every day sharing information. So your like, your comment, your subscription, it helps us a lot. Okay, so now let's go to the article. First part, it's find your code. So if you are a GitHub user, if you are a developer, you already know something about GitHub. Okay, and just right here on GitHub, here is one example of the codes. There is codes that is under some kind of different license and you cannot embed, but most of them you can click right here. Okay, as you can see right here, we have the clone via HTTPS, share, or embed. We're gonna click right here on embed. We're gonna copy this code or click into this folder icon. Simple as that. And then we're gonna go to our WordPress post, for example. You can create a new post or go to a previously made post, open the editor. We're gonna type enter. We're gonna click into this plus button. And once right here, we're gonna search for HTML. Here is the block, the custom HTML, and here we're gonna post the code. And here is the result. If you go to the post preview, here is the result we got. Simple, fast, easy, and effective. Okay, so let's learn how to do this same process on Elementor. But as you can see, the process happened really fast. This is in script by GitHub. WordPress loads it, so no need to worry. You just need to remember to use the custom HTML block. Okay, now let's move to page section so we can try to apply this using Elementor. Okay, let's open our about page. I'm gonna click right here into this button to edit with Elementor. I'm gonna apply this into the end of the page to serve only as an example. Okay, so here into the left side of widgets, where you can search for widgets, we're gonna search for HTML. Okay, here is the widget. We're gonna drag it and drop where you want, and here we're gonna post the code. If you go to the page preview or update the page, you can see the code already right here. Simple, easy, and effective. No need to worry, the codes will not load into the back-end editor, the front-end editor, all while Elementor editing page. But as you can see into the final version of your page for users, you're gonna be able to see the code embedded, okay? Simple, fast and easy. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And in the case that this video helped you anyway, please share with a friend of yours, share with your family. It helps us a lot, okay? So I'm gonna leave some links into the description of this video and into the first comment of this video, and the links directs for very useful source of information. Places, for example, that you can download design assets, places where you can purchase a domain name for 99 cents, and many more things. In addition, feel free to review our Anzu and Borderless WordPress plugins. They are a free WordPress theme and a free WordPress plugin that you can use on your WordPress, install on WordPress for free, and empowers your site, okay? It's the best free WordPress theme on the market and the best Elementor add-on WordPress plugin, okay? Review those, it will help you for sure. In addition, as told in the beginning of this video, we have a blog full of tutorials for every part of your site, okay? So every single part of your site you can learn right here. And in the case that you are in need of a ready website to start from, go to our website and review the Anzu Pro options, okay? And I see you later. All the best!